Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best safety noses is probably one of the most crucial aspects of crafting or repairing stuffed animals. These small components play a significant role in the overall safety and aesthetic appeal of the toys. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of safety noses, exploring various types, materials, and how to choose the perfect ones for your projects, ensuring your creations are both adorable and safe for everyone. Number 5. Safety eyes and noses, for 62 PCS for crafts. This comprehensive kit includes a variety of black plastic safety eyes and noses. It's perfect for all your crafting needs, from dolls to teddy bears. You'll find everything you need inside. The set features a wide range of sizes and shapes, including triangle noses, animal noses, and oval eyes. This variety ensures that you can find the perfect fit for your project. They are assorted by size for your convenience. Made from high-quality plastic, these eyes and noses are durable and well-polished. They are designed to withstand wear and tear, ensuring your creations last. The surface is glossy and smooth. These eyes and noses are suitable for a wide array of crafts. Whether you're making dolls, teddy bears, or other stuffed animals, they will bring your creations to life. It's a great choice for any crafting enthusiast. The set comes in a convenient display box, making it easy to carry and organize. A free awl is included to help with your projects. Please note that it is suitable for ages over 8 years old, and parental supervision is advised. What we like. This set offers a wide range of sizes, perfect for various projects. Made from premium, durable plastic, it ensures your creations last. If you're looking for a comprehensive set with convenient organization, this is the ideal choice for your crafting needs. What people say. The set has multiple sizes, so you have a lot of options for your craft items. They are easy to use and come in a plastic box. These are perfect for my Amigurumi projects. Number 4. MENKEY 570 PCS Safety Eyes and Noses. This set includes safety eyes in 5 different sizes, ranging from 8 to 14 millimeters. It also comes with 2 sizes of safety noses. They are perfect for various crafting needs. You'll receive 285 pieces of eyes and noses, along with 285 washers. This provides ample supply for replacements and spares. It's a great tool for DIY enthusiasts. Each set includes washers to prevent the eyes and noses from falling out. The set comes in a section box with a buckle, keeping everything organized. These safety eyes are made of high-quality, well-polished plastic. They are solid and durable, ensuring your creations last. The quality is guaranteed. These eyes and noses are ideal for handmade dolls, amigurumi projects, and various crafts. They are perfect for stuffed animals, puppets, and teddy bears. What we like. With a massive quantity of eyes and noses, you'll have plenty for all your projects. The included washers ensure a secure fit, preventing any accidental detachment. If you are a DIY enthusiast who needs a reliable and abundant supply, consider this set. What people say. Backs fit well and they feel very solid. A breeze to use. Got these to do my plushie toys. Sizes are right, quality looks good. There is a nice variety of eye colors and nose shapes. They are easy to use and the backs were easy to match up and slide on. Everything was intact. I didn't receive any destroyed or heavily damaged pieces in the set. They come in a plastic craft storage box for permanent storage and worked out pretty well for what I needed. Number 3. Buylorco 600 PCS Safety Eyes and Noses for Amigurumi. This set includes 600 pieces of safety eyes and noses. They come in various sizes, ranging from 6 mm to 14 mm for the eyes and 11 mm to 13 mm for the noses. It's perfect for your crafting needs. Unlike button eyes or adhesive googly eyes, this set is easy to install. You just need to screw the nut into the washer to secure them firmly. It's a much safer and more reliable option. The eyes and noses are made of high-quality plastic with a polished surface. They come in many colors, including black, red, blue, golden, green, and pink. They will bring your creations to life. Everything is neatly stored in a section box. This keeps all the pieces organized and easy to find. You'll always know where everything is. With a variety of sizes and colors, this set is perfect for replacements and spares. If you're a crafts and DIY lover, you should definitely give it a try. It's a must-have for your projects. What we like. This set stands out with its multiple colors, adding a fun touch to your creations. The secure screw-in design is stronger than adhesive options. If you like colorful and organized crafting supplies, you should definitely try this one. What people say. These are perfect for our crochet projects and the little noses included are great. These safety eyes work great for my crochet projects. I love the variety, especially the inclusion of colored eyes and noses. They've all been perfect so far. Good, lots and lots of them. Quality is pretty solid, a range of sizes, which are consistent. Pretty versatile, though nothing huge, easy to use. Number 2. 600 PCS Colorful Crochet Toy Eyes and Noses. Are you a crafting enthusiast? This set is perfect for your amigurumi, doll, puppet, plush animal, and teddy bear projects. It comes with a variety of sizes and colors. These eyes and noses are made of plastic and come with washers. This ensures they are securely attached to your creations, making them safe for all ages. The set includes eyes and noses ranging from 6mm to 14mm. This allows you to choose the perfect size for your specific project, ensuring the ideal look. With a range of colors, you can bring your creations to life. The vibrant hues will add personality and charm to your dolls and stuffed animals. If you love making amigurumi, this set is a must-have. It provides everything you need to give your crochet creations adorable features. Get yours today. What we like. The set comes with a wide range of colorful options, perfect for adding personality to your creations. These eyes and noses are easy to attach, making your crafting process smoother. If you are looking for a colorful and easy-to-use set, this is a great choice. What people say. These are fantastic for eyes and noses on the teddies that I make. They come in different sizes for any size you need. I would thoroughly recommend them. Perfect safety eye, adding just the right touch for finishing plushies. Such a good value, all the eyes are so cute, no sharp edges, none have fallen out, great carrying case. Number 1. Craftdady 100 Sets Black Safety Noses for DIY Toys. This set includes 100 safety noses with washers. You'll receive 4 different sizes, with 25 sets of each size. This ensures you have the perfect fit for your crafting projects. The noses come in multiple sizes. The diameters are 18.5mm, 16.5mm, and 17.5mm. The back pins range from 4 to 6mm. These different sizes can meet all your needs. These safety noses are made of high-quality plastic. They are durable and safe, making them ideal for all your DIY doll and toy-making needs. Using these noses is simple. Just choose the right size and place it on your toy. Then, screw the back pin into the nose. The washer will prevent it from falling out. These toy nose accessories are perfect for all your handmade dolls. They are great for dogs, teddy bears, puppets, and other plush animals. They will bring your creations to life. What we like. This set provides multiple sizes, catering to various doll-making needs. Made from durable plastic, it ensures your creations are long-lasting. If you are looking for a set with a variety of sizes and easy application, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The variety of noses is good and they are very cute. I ordered this set of 4 sizes plastic dog noses with washers to add to what I already have. I make memory bears and other animals and needed a variety of sizes for the noses. I like these as they are more realistic than what I did have and are in a variety of sizes to fit any size animal I make. They're strong and very well made. I like the variety of nose sizes and the fact that you can easily attach it to the plush toy easily. It has a stem and there are washers to use to secure it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.